Alrighty, everybody, it's Michael Alder here from the landflippingformula.com covering some more land investing strategies and questions that had came in. This one is land buying on eBay legit? So yeah, like anything, you could buy land in a legit manner off of eBay, and same thing on Craigslist. You can find also very legit sellers on Craigslist, but you can find scammers on eBay and Craigslist as well. So let's walk through this here, and I would show you what I would be looking for to sort out the good sellers from the bad sellers, a good deal from a bad deal. So we're going to go ahead and go to land. We want to go to land and real estate. Alrighty, so we got, right off the bat, we got 36 acres in Colorado. Now, me personally, I always focus on smaller lots, typically 5 acres and smaller, but, you know, everybody has a different style, so keep that in mind. So we got financing available on, this looks like 5 acres here in Colorado, 85 down, 50 a month, no interest, so we can keep that on the radar potentially. We are bidding for a cash price on 20 acres in Oklahoma. 20 acres in Oklahoma, another cash price. Let's get into something I would be into, just so I can walk you through it a little better here. All right, so let's see what we have here. Affordable land in Sun Valley, Arizona, 13 bids, $21.50. There's 4 hours left, so let's see what's going on with this particular property here. So red flag for me, number one, and obviously I don't know this person, they may be awesome. I'm just letting you know what I look for. You got USA Lands with only a 2 feedback, 100% positive, but only 2. Anybody can create that. And once again, I don't know this person. They may be super awesome. These are just things that I look for when I'm doing deals. So we got, what do we have here? Let's see if we can get in the description. All right. 1/4 of an acre residential land, Sun Valley, Arizona, just side of Holbrook. Cash or seller financing with a down payment, no credit check ever. That's pretty much standard across the board, so no red flags there. Let's see. The next thing I want to search for is the parcel number, the coordinates. They do have all that, which is great. If you look down here, so they give us some information on it. That's cool, whatever. But Navajo County, we got the parcel number and the coordinates. Now, what you want to do next is go to Navajo County's website and punch in this parcel number and see what pops up. See if the seller's name matches, or if this is not the actual owner, if they have the contract or the right to sell. Super common in the real estate investing game, so something you want to watch for. And then do the coordinates match where this property should be. Just a couple things you want to check out. They're offering us some more information on it here, which is cool. Here's another thing I personally don't like, but it is common in here. $500 document fee. So you may bid this up to, $200, but then you got to pay the $499. So you got $699 altogether is what your actual purchase price is. Now on a 1/2 acre lot, it's an okay deal. It's nothing to jump up and down over though. So just something to keep in mind. So those would be a few things I would watch for on a property like that. Now, like I said, this person may be an absolute awesome seller. They may have great deals. You just have to decide if that just shy of a 1/2 acre parcel is worth, $500 or more. So if you get it for $21.50 and you're paying $499 doc fee, you're probably okay as long as they can transfer the deed. The big thing, you want to check the taxes. And that's where a lot of people are burying information. We sell a lot of tax delinquent properties ourselves, but it's fully disclosed. And we, obviously have people do their own due diligence on that just to confirm our numbers are correct as well. So let's see what else we got here. Just something that I would be looking for that you could search for as well. Got a lot of Florida stuff. We may check into that. I do buy there. You got 40 acres there for $12 grand. If you're in the wholesale side of things, not a great deal, but super awesome big lot. Here we go. Let's check out what New Mexico has over here. Deming, New Mexico, $1,000 or best offer. Got Mark Funo, 53 feedback, a little better than the 2 we had just seen. So this person may be actually doing some things. Scroll down, see what we get into. What kind of information do we have? It's a half acre in Deming, New Mexico. It's cool. He provides a Google Map link. GPS coordinates. Now in here he says 1,200, but on the ad it says 1,000. Let's see. Conveyed via warranty deed. That's all good. 90-day return policy. That's like, all right, so if you wanted to get into the land game and they legit offered a 90-day return policy, that's some good warranties right there. They're going to do a warranty deed. It's a bit much for a half acre lot, in my opinion, but if you could get that for 500 or less, awesome deal. This is, I was going to say, if that's to his YouTube channel, that's even better, but that's just some video it looks like that he or she had found about the particular property. So they have decent feedback, a lot of transactions, or more than a 2. 90-day return policy. So yeah, a little bit better on this one. So let's go back again. We'll go through one more just to see. So those would be a few things I would check out. Always check out the taxes, though, at the end of the day, and the seller's information, just to make sure they link up on it, or they have the right to sell the property. Love to go through one more here if I can find one that fits what we typically look for. All right, here we go. 1 acre in Arizona. Once again, a little bit lower there, 26. Not loving that, but not bad. And like I said, that could be super legit still. They just don't do a ton of transactions on eBay, but the more they've been on there, the better the scenario of everything being good to go. Here's some hype on why you buy land, which is all good to share. Got a 1 acre in Mojave. Now let's get that good information on this. Tons of info about the area, which is nice. Whoa! $28.45 plus $99 document fee. Nah. So this could be a fully legit transaction, but that is, in my opinion, way too much. But here we go. Now here's all the information that we're looking for. We got the parcel number. We got the coordinates. We got the legal. That's all awesome stuff. Boom. This is the big thing here. Taxes are paid and current. That's what you want to see, because a lot of that information gets left off. And once it transfers in your name, you're still responsible for those taxes. There could be $1,000 to $2,000 tax bill attached to it, and you may have picked it up for $200 or $300. But once you get that $1,000 tax bill, it's no longer a deal anymore. You lost. Very thorough on everything else. So yeah, I mean, everything seems pretty solid on here, as far as providing information. It's always your job to do the due diligence. But like I said, you can find very legit deals on eBay. Just do your due diligence. Check out the property. Make sure the owner is who they say they are, or they have the right to sell the property. They have it under an option contract or something of that nature. So you're not just buying it from some random. So those are my tips for buying on eBay. If you want to go deeper into the land investing game, go over to thelandflippingformula.com. I will have a link in the description for you there. Any questions, feel free to comment below, and I will see you on the next video.